Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's the daily Bitcoin update and the weekly forecast. First of all, Bitcoin settles above key support. Why? Bitcoin could revisit $60,000 US. We will check this now in this video. Here is crypto fear and greed index, and you can see we have here 66 points and we have greed in the market. Yesterday also greed in the market, 68 points. Last week we had fear in the market, 31 points, and last month we had greed in the market also with 74 points. Here is CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is going down a little bit with 1.15%, but on the 7-day chart, 13%, 7 in the plus, and that's really nice. Look at this nice green chart picture here. The last 7 days we saw a nice pump from Bitcoin. Ethereum is pumping a little bit, 3% on the day, but look at the weekly, 27% Ethereum is in the plus, and look at this chart, it's going up and up and up and up and up to the moon. So here is the Binance coin also a plus about 22% in the week. Today it's going down a little bit with 1%. XRP is going up a little bit in the week, 50% in the plus, bam. Dogecoin is going up with 7% in the week, 39%. Cardano is going down a little bit on the day and in the week up with 17.6%. Polkadot 1.1% in the plus. In the week, 21% in the plus. Altcoins are mooning in the weekly chart picture. Uniswap is going up with 1.8%, 23% in the plus on the week. Bitcoin Cash is going down a little bit, but also in the week, 25% in the plus. Litecoin, 18% in the plus. On the day, 1%. Chainlink is going up really nice. WeChain is going up. Solana is going up. XLM is going up. Nice. A really nice picture here for our altcoins. A really nice picture also for Bitcoin. So what's going on here? What coin is the biggest winner of 24 hours, of the last 24 hours? The biggest winner, the best performing coin is Bakery token, Bake, with 63.3% in the plus. And look, please look at the weekly, 563% in the plus. What the hell is going on here? Extreme. Nano, second place, 37%, and OKB with 26%. These are the three best performing coins here of the last 24 hours. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the whole world is watching, and we will check now what coin is the biggest loser of 24 hours. It's DigiByte. DigiByte is the biggest loser with 7.11%. Icon also 5.3%, and Venus 5.31%. These are the biggest three losers. Not extreme losers, not extreme downgoing coins here, not to hell going coins here, but with 7% and 5%, these are the biggest losers of 24 hours. Here is now the quick overview from Tradingview. What's going on the daily time frame? And you can see, summary, we should buy Bitcoin. Moving averages are telling us strong buy Bitcoin. Oscillators also buy Bitcoin. On the 4-hour chart, buy Bitcoin on summary, strong buy on moving averages, and the oscillators are neutral. On the 1-hour chart, we have a neutral on the summary, a sell on the moving averages, and the oscillators are neutral, and 15 minutes neutral, buy, and neutral. So on the short time frame, we have a bearish one, but on the 4-hour daily, weekly, we should buy Bitcoin. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. First of all, before we start, ladies and gentlemen, this is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week on Twitch and YouTube. This is Bitcoin Trading Informant. And you have here all you need for trading, all news, every altcoins, how are they performing? Should you momently buy or neutral or sell on the 1 hour? Buy signals, sell signals, long signals, short signals, Fibonacci, uptrends, downtrends, the ratio Bitcoin is going long or short. And guys, everything you need is here on this live stream. Please watch it, please learn, and please use it for your own trades. And I hope you make millions with this information, guys. Special thanks to my big boss of the channel, Subcritical. Hello, my big boss. So now, what's going on here? You can see here the 50-minute chart, and you can see, okay, it's going up a little bit here in the last hours here. Here is the 1 hour chart. You can see here our inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. You can see here our baseline here, our try breakout here from this baseline. Now it's going down from the baseline, our support, the Fibonacci. So guys, all you need for trading is here in the live stream. Now let's check this one. This was my last picture from my last TA, and you saw inverse shoulder, head, shoulder, baseline, a little breakout try. Now it's going down. That's the bad thing. We saw here on the 1 hour chart a nice breakout over this baseline, a nice position, a nice long position, a confirmed closing candle over it, and then we went down. I closed my position here on this candle here. This was the first Anjo candle. I closed my position, my long position. I made a little loss here with this try, with this breakout try, and this try to trade this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. So I closed my position here on a little bit on this under this 57,500 baseline. So for the moment, I'm waiting what's going on here. We will check now for the weekly forecast. What's going on for the weekly forecast and what's going on now. And we will check this in the 1 day chart, or check the 1 week chart. What's going on here, guys? Let's remove all stuff here. Let's make this together. Let's check Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin chart. Every candle is 1 week. Look at these big candles. Look at these candles here on the downside. Every candle was a week. A mini, a mini, a mini, a mini, a bigger one. And look at this. The bull run is going up. Look at this big volume for the downgoing candle. Big volume upgoing. It's extreme, guys. It's extreme what's going on momently. This is the weekly chart. Okay. The nice thing, the very nice thing, we saw a weekly chart with a higher high and a higher low. You can see this. This was a lower low. This was a higher low. This was a lower high. This is a higher high. So this candle has this candle has time to close 13 hours. And for the weekly chart, this would be a very nice candle, I'm sure, because we saw a higher low and a higher high. And this is a very bullish sign, guys. That's the possibility why we can check 60,000 up for next. That's not the biggest problem in my opinion. Let's check the next thing. Let's make here a Fibonacci line from the down line. This is still a weekly chart to the uppermost point here. And you can see we are here over our, sorry, that's the wrong Fibonacci. I will make another one. This one here. I will make a retracement. So like this here. We are now, and that's the nice thing, with our candle over our 0.786 Fibonacci line. That's the golden pocket line here on the right side, 53,000. That's our big support. This support is holding. That's the nice thing for the weekly candle chart. As long as we are over this one, as long as we not have a confirmed candle under this one, everything is nice. Everything is okay, guys. Let's check the next thing. Let's make here a trend parallel channel to the upside for the first of all, this like this here. This is our weekly uptrend. We are very nice in the uptrend. We fight it with the middle line, but we are still over the middle line. Everything is okay. The middle line is our friend. The middle line is also our support. As long as we are over the middle line, everything is fine in this uptrend. So for the weekly chart, everything is looking nice. What is telling us the RSI? Let's check this one. Relative Strength Index. Come on, what's going on here? We are not overbought. That's nice. But also on the weekly chart, you can see my problem with the RSI. I have this problem since long time. We have a downgoing RSI. We have an upgoing Bitcoin price. And that's the bearish divergence. I'm talking about this since weeks or months. I don't know. We need to watch this. Oh, since weeks. Okay. No, months. Okay. But we need to watch. This is still the weekly chart. We have a bearish divergence. Also on the daily chart, we have a bearish divergence. Let's check the next thing. Let's check the ribbon band. What is going on with the ribbon band? A lot of guys are asking me, BITI, what are you using here on Tradingview? I use the EMA ribbon band from Domenico. It is, in my opinion, a really nice thing. And you can see here, this ribbon band is coming from the downside, is our big support also on the weekly chart. We really never touched this ribbon band. And the ribbon band is momently here over 45,000. This is our greatest support for the moment, in my opinion. We have to watch this also. So, ribbon band. Next thing, what's going on with the MACD? What's telling us this one here on the weekly chart? The MACD is, damn guys, the MACD is bearish. I was so bullish momently. You can see blue line is under the brown line. We have a bearish MACD. Also, you can see we are building here red candles. So interesting. MACD is a bearish thing. The other stuff is a nice thing because we make higher highs. So we need to watch the MACD also, but not for the moment. Let's check now the daily chart. Let's go deeper into the chart. Here is the daily chart. From the daily chart, we are fighting over the ribbon. Very nice. We are now retesting the ribbon. Very nice. We saw a nice breakout over the ribbon band, a closing candle over the ribbon band, and now a retest over the ribbon band. And this is not the baddest sign. So, in my opinion, this one I showed you, let me check it. Here it is. This one, this inverse shoulder head shoulder may play out. We are not over this, over the baseline for sure, but we are still on a nice way to the upside. I will show you this very soon. So, daily chart, we are from the RSI picture. If you are looking at the RSI, yes, we are bearish. We have a downgoing RSI. We have a bullish divergence for sure. The MACD on the daily chart is bullish. You can see blue line over the brown line. We are biting more and more green candles. So on the daily chart, daily time frame, this is okay. This is nice. Let's remove RSI and let's check the next thing. For me, one of the important thing also is, if we are looking at the indicators, the MA21. This one, the moving average, very important. This is now this blue line. I like the MA21 in a orange and in a fat line here, something like this here, and we need the input of 21, and now we have the 21 moving average. And look at this, we saw a breakthrough about 3 days through this MA21. Perfect. We saw a closing candle over this. Perfect. And now we see a retest of the MA21. Perfect. So nothing, really nothing is speaking about a downgoing Bitcoin momently. It's looking very nice. In my opinion, everything, the MA moving average, everything, the ribbon band is telling us, nice, we are over this. We have this now as support on the 1 day chart. The big time frame, the big picture is looking, we should buy Bitcoin. So look at this on the daily. Yes, summary, we should buy. The oscillators, we should buy. The moving averages, we should buy. Every moving average, 10, 20, 50. Yes, we have a sell here, but the most things, the moving averages are telling us buy that Bitcoin. So it looks not so bad here. But there's always a but. We're going deeper in the 4-hour chart. What's going on here? Ribbon band. We saw a bad red ribbon band, a short position here, a red bearish ribbon band, and this big candle, this big 4-hour candle here, this was the perfect shot over our ribbon band. Now we have a nice green ribbon band. And look at this. We are retesting the ribbon band. We are retesting our MA21 here also. We are over our Fibonacci, and also on the 4-hour chart, guys, everything is looking bullish. Everything is looking fine. So if you are looking at the 4-hour TA, look at this. Summary, buy, moving averages, strong buy, oscillators, neutral. This is nice. This is holding. This uptrend momently is holding. We can make one thing. Let's zoom out here more. Let's remove our big uptrend. And let's remove our Fibonacci. We are now on the 4-hour chart. We can make another Fibonacci here. I like these Fibonaccis because they are working. A lot of traders, a lot of bots are using these Fibonaccis. The retracement from the highest point here to the, no, this was nothing, BITI. The next one, from the highest point to the lowest point. This is our 4-hour Fibonacci. And for sure, look at this, guys. It's so amazing. We are momently fighting between these two Fibonacci lines, between the 0.618 Fibonacci, 58,000, and the 0.5 Fibonacci, 55,800. We are fighting between these lines here, and they are very interesting and very how should I say, useful for us, because the 55,800 is a nice support. Look at this. As long as we're over this, we are here in a nice zone. We need now to refight our 0.618 Fibonacci at 58,000. That's the next thing. Now, retesting this one, bounce up to the next, and going up to the golden pocket 60,900. That's why I am bullish, and that's why I'm thinking about this. It's possible to see very soon this 60,000 testing Fibonacci here. This would be a great trade here. And I showed you guys, we need to watch this. This was our baseline. We had to watch here for our inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. And you saw on the 4-hour chart, yes, we had a closing candle over this. This was a confirmed closing candle. And the next one are going down here. So maybe now the perfect place to make a rebuy 55,800 is possible. Today is Sunday. Sundays are mostly bloody. On Mondays, mostly on Mondays, we see a big pump if the markets are open, if all are awake, the American and the Chinese, if all are awake, we see mostly big pumps to the upside. So I think on Monday, tomorrow, we will see maybe a lot of volume and maybe a lot of volume up to the upside. So that's the 4-hour chart. Let's go into the 1-hour chart. A long video for today, sorry guys, but a lot of information in my opinion, and a lot of information for the next week. So in the 1-hour chart, the 1-hour chart is not so how should I say, not so bullish. Look at this. We lost our ribbon band. We are fighting with the ribbon band here. We lost our support of the MA21. We are now under the MA21 on the 1-hour chart. From the downside is coming the EMA 200 as a support, and you can see here really nicely we are between 55,800 and 58,000. This is an amazing fight now for Bitcoin. On the 1-hour chart, we can make another thing. We can make our uptrend. The parallel channel is this here. And look at this, how amazing this is working on the 1-hour chart. This is our nice uptrend, our bullish uptrend. And guys, as long as we are in this uptrend, everything is fine, everything is okay. So we need to watch this. This is also the baseline of our uptrend, the down line of our uptrend, and it's momently on 55,900. That's also measuring with our Fibonacci. As long as we are staying over this, everything is fine, everything is okay, guys. In my opinion, it would be very nice to see something like this now. The retest here of our Fibonacci line and our baseline here are underline, I should say, the underline of our uptrend. So, and from this, a retest of our baseline, a retest of our Fibonacci, and a breakthrough of the Fibonacci to the upside to our golden pocket here, like this here. This would be a very nice thing, in my opinion, to watch here in the next hours and the next days. It's possible on Monday to move on here, to fight against these resistances, and to fight here to our golden pocket 0.786, 61,000. That would be an amazing thing. And if we can fight back here, I make a next long position. If we can fight over 58,000, I will make a next long position. Or guys, it's possible to make it here. It's possible to make it here, the long position on 55,900. This is the better opinion in my opinion. This is the better thing, to make a long position here on 55,900 and under 55,800 a stop loss. So if Bitcoin will break down here under our support lines, we have a stop loss. Okay, we are out of the trade, nothing can happen. But if Bitcoin can use this here as a bounce to the upside, this would be a very nice place to make a long position. In my opinion, the better one is here on the upside. So guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, but it's not the baddest thing here, maybe, to look at this here. So what's going on with the indicators? What is telling us the MACD on the 1-hour chart? MACD on the 1-hour chart is bearish, is still bearish. Blue line under the brown line. We have here red candles. We need now green candles. We need now a breaking from the blue line over the brown line, a crossing, and this would be amazing, guys. So also, what's going on with the RSI? Let's check this one. Let's remove the MA21. Let's check the relative strength index. What is telling us this one here? And the RSI is not oversold here. Well, it was on the way to oversold, but it's not oversold here. But look at this, the RSI is also forming a trend line like this here. And if the RSI will break out this for over this red resistance line, this would be amazing. This would be very, very nice. Also, we can watch one thing here was the lowest line, and here is also a nice support line, a green support line for the RSI. And as long as we are over this, everything is nice, everything is okay. But we need now to break this triangle to the upside for a bullish Bitcoin. This is also very important here. So guys, that's the main picture. If we can break this point here, if we can break the resistance, if we can break out up to our golden pocket, the golden pocket is in my opinion one of the biggest resistances we have to watch. But if we can break through this, I am still bullish, guys, and the next target is our all-time high 64,000, and the big target I'm showing you here is on this point here. It's on 68,000. This is the breakout target for this inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. Why? I can show you here very quick. Let's remove all this stuff here so I can show you this here better. Inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. This one, shoulder, head, shoulder, and the baseline. The baseline is this line here. We are now under the baseline for sure. But if you can break it up again, this is our target from the highest point to the baseline, and we can set this line to the upside like this here. And if we will make this, we have a really nice target to the upside, and the price is on, bam, 68,000. And that's what I am watching for, guys. We need to re-break our baseline. We need to break here up again, and I will make a nice long position. Maybe very soon. Here now I showed you long position on this point now because of our uptrends and resistance lines, support lines. So guys, that's the main thing. That's the main thing from BITI or Bitcoin Trading Informant. And guys, I need your support. If you like my videos, if you like my TA, please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a comment, and please share it in all social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and what else. I need your support. I need you guys here for continuing my work. I need you. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you just the best. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Have a nice time. Greetings, and we see us tomorrow. Bye bye. Yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.